Okay, we are now going to demonstrate the fine and secret art of folding a fitted sheet. Observe, this is the inside of the fitted sheet. You see the seam right there? This is the outside. See how it's nice and flat? So you actually turn it inside out and put each hand in the corner. You have to find the corner the long way. See, long. This is the short. This is the long. Okay? See, long? And you put your fingers in the corners. See the corners? Now watch this. You're going to take your right hand and match the points and turn it inside out. So now you have both corners like so. Ready? Transfer that to your right hand and you're going to find the corners on the left side. It's really not hard. It looks hard, but it really isn't. Okay. See, now on this side, okay, I'm going to show you slowly. See what I'm doing? I'm finding the corner with my finger, and now I'm going to find this corner with the finger, and now...
Wait, how did you just get those two corners together?
I'll show you again.
You had to use your hand that was inside the other corners.
Yeah. See, I found this corner with this finger, and then I put it also inside. So now I've got...
Wait, how did you keep these two corners together?
Now watch this. Now you've got all the corners together. See? Here's the other side. Here's this side. Now you're going to match this and turn this inside out. So now you've got all four corners together. See that? Now you put it down and you fold it so that, see, like that? So everything is flat. And then this comes over here, nice and flat. And this comes over here, and it's done. If you like, some people like to fold it again so that it's very little, but that's up to you. You can either leave it like that, or you can leave it like this. Done.